It's a rainy Friday. The markets will be closed in less than 1 hour, so why not? It is happy hour here in New York City. U.S. stocks were sharply higher Friday with the S&P 500 bouncing back from a 5-session decline as an upbeat November jobs report had the jobless rate falling to a 5-year low. Holding a 5-session losing streak, the Dow Jones Industrial Average rising sharply with all of its 30 components on the upside. The S&P 500 also in rally mode with materials leading the gains, and at the same time the Nasdaq continuing to climb briefly, clearing over its loss for the previous week. Now for every stock falling 3 rows over at the New York Stock Exchange more than halfway through the trading session, and because I will be en route to the airport via the market close, let's now see how the markets are shaping up just 1 hour before the closing bell. The dollar edged higher against its rivals and gold futures rising $2.10 or 0.2%, with crude futures also gaining 0.2% to be at $97.54 a barrel. Over on the economic front, we had the government's jobs report finding that 203,000 jobs were added in the month of November, with the jobless rate falling to 7%. Meanwhile, consumer sentiment came in at a reading of 82.5 in December, beating expectations. And over in the corporate front, American Eagle Outfitters today, they forecast current quarter profit under expectations, with the teen apparel retailer citing holiday discounts. Its shares continuing to fall sharply. So there it is. It may not be exactly the closing numbers, but it's as close as I can get. I now have to run over to the airport, but I will see you guys all next week, perhaps from a special location. From ModernWallStreet.com, I'm James Sweeney.